show you how I made it. These are actually candle holders, and you take the styrofoam stuff, I cut it down, put it the height I wanted, and put some pieces in to hold it all together. And now I'm going to take these, which I got 6 packs from the dollar store of wheat, and then they had these little colors with them, and I cut them down. So this one had 3 of those, and this one will have 3 packs as well. All right, and then I look at it from the turkey angle. Just start sticking your wheat in some random spots, and I do a couple. These guys were a little bit trickier, so I tried to kind of take them apart. If you don't like these, you could do something other than these. This one I may add some of these to the other one because these look like they might be more intact. Adding to the other one too, because I'm noticing I've got some holes and I've got some extra stuff that I may not need. Once you got the amount you want in there, you do more, you do less. I got this from the dollar store, just some moss. And we're gonna hide that green. I'm just gonna go around the outside of it, tuck it in. Hides the green foam, makes it look a little more full. And then I kind of pick some of this stuff up and throw it in the middle. And then you have your turkey. So now I've got 2 turkeys. Not fully matching, I may play here with them, but there you go. 2 turkeys. Completely done. Nice little project. And they look cute.